Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Courtney-Ann, and on this channel we talk about business, finance, entrepreneurship and real estate. Before we jump into the video, be sure to follow me on Instagram so you can get more recent updates on videos like these, and also remember to subscribe for more real estate and business content. So just some quick specs about this property. The unit we're viewing today is 1,700 square feet. It is a 2-bedroom, 3-bathroom unit, and it is on the market for $2,500 per month. It has a lot of cool amenities like 24/7 security, underground garage, and also parking for your visitors. There's also air conditioning units right throughout the unit. The unit also comes furnished, and it's located near several malls, schools, restaurants, etc. For more details, check the description box below, and let's get into the tour. All right, everyone, that is it for the inside of the house. Now let's step outside for a bit to see the exterior of the property, including the pool area and also where you will be parking. So this is the exterior of the property. As you notice, there are lots of space for parking. There's also a lot of trees, lots of greenery, so you know the area is very cool. Lots of nice Jamaican breeze as well. And there is a large pool with a large enough deck to entertain, including a small gazebo for seating arrangements. If you're interested in renting this property, please contact Mr. Kenneth Jackson. His information will be on your screen and also in the description box below. Let me know your favorite parts of the tour, and essentially let me know in the comment section if you would rent this property. Thank you so much for watching the video, guys, and I'll see you guys next week.